Hello guys! Want to restore your iOS devices? Today we want to introduce you how to restore your iOS devices from backup with iCsoft iPhone Data Recovery. First of all, download and launch iCsoft on your computer and then choose iPhone Data Recovery mode to get into the main interface. Then click Recover from iTunes Backup Files button to begin restoring. Now you can see the iTunes backup file and select when to scan. When the scanning process finished, you can see all the data which are saved in your iTunes backup. Here we take restoring iPhone photo from iTunes backup for example. Click Camera Roll and then choose the photo you want to restore. Click Recover and choose where you want to save it. And then you can see the restored photo. You can also restore other iOS files from iTunes backup. The second way you can restore iPad from backup is using a cloud backup file. Click the third option and then enter your Apple ID and password to log in your iCloud. When you see all the iCloud backup files, choose one of them and click Download. Next, choose what you want to restore. For example, select Camera Roll and click Next. Then just choose the photo you want to restore from Camera Roll and click Recover. After you choose where you want to save it, you can see the restored photo in the destination folder. That is all. Hope you can gain something helpful.